So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure your time zone is correct. Make sure you have set time automatically turned on. Then you're going to click on sync now. Make sure that your time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, you're going to make sure that the certificate is valid of the website that you're trying to go to. Now once you're on the website, you're going to click on this right here. And then you're going to click on connection is secure or connection is unsecure. And it's then going to tell you if the certificate is valid or not. If it's not, then it will tell you right here. And that's probably the reason why you're getting this error. And now for the next method, you just want to copy the link of the website. Then you're going to head over to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to go to the security tab. And then you're going to click on trusted sites. And then click on sites. And now you just want to paste that link right here. And then click on add. And then click on close. Now you just want to restart your web browser. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, make sure your web browser is fully up to date. So you're going to click on the three dots on the top right, and then click on settings. On the left hand side, you're going to click on about Chrome or about your web browser. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your browser is fully up to date. See if that works for you. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.